Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix the problem of pictures quality on the application of Pinterest. You will click on settings as you see and you will enter. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list, you will scrolling down until you find this application of Pinterest and you will click here. Then in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. After that, you will enter to the window of storage as you see and you will click here. Then in this page, you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. After that, you will return to this page of app info. Here you will go to permissions and you will click. And as you see here in this page, you will check if these permissions are allowed, especially the permission of photos and videos. You will click like this. For example, if it's not allowed, you will find it in this page of not allowed, and you will click here on always allow all. And as you see here, for me it is allowed like this. So when you will end about this page, you will go to the window of Pinterest as you see, and here in this page you will find these photos like this. It will be fixed for you. We find the quality of pictures here, it is good like this. But if you have any issues, you will go to Play Store. You will click in this sign. On above, you will search about the application of Pinterest. And here in this page, you will update your app if you find update in this blue sign. But if it's not working with you if these all steps or solutions not working with you or not solving your problem of pictures quality, then the final solution that you should to do is to uninstall your app, and then you can install it again to fix that problem. And you will go when you will install your application of Pinterest, you will go to check if everything here is good and if the quality of pictures are good. As you see, for example, you can choose any picture here. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching and your attention. Goodbye.